What's up, y'all? Danny from Vanlife Northwest coming to you today with this Toyota Hiace fire truck. This is a diesel four-wheel drive model with high and low range. The diesel is a 2.4 liter. It's called a 2L, which is the little brother to the 3L commonly found in the Toyota Hiace four-wheel drive vans. Cast iron head and block, so very stable motor. This truck is in impeccable condition, and as you can see is double cab, 4 doors. Similar to a VW Doka, but in my opinion much more capable off-road and more mechanically reliable. Unique to this fire truck, we've had several, is all these really useful built-ins. Every one of these fire trucks have a different bed configuration based off the stock bed. This is a stock bed modified to accommodate whatever firehouses happen to live at. But these really well-made built-ins have lots of storage. Wood bottoms, no rust, very clean shape. There's that one. This one up here. Very large, I would say is maybe about 2.5 feet wide, 2.5 feet tall, maybe about 1.5 feet deep. This lid comes down, but I imagine that you could take and put cables on it to hold it flat. Maybe put your stove on it as a camping setup for cooking. Here we put on 30-inch BFG KO2s, all-terrain tires. Great tire on and off-road. Back here would have been a diesel-powered water pump for fighting fires. But none of them ever come over on the boat from Japan. Over here on this side we have another large built-in with these removable wood bottoms. Here's another one here, and then just like on the other side, here's another large one here. Very usable. This would make a great camping rig. In my opinion, I would just build some kind of canopy or camper top onto the back of the bed and just use all these built-ins for storage, for gear. So consistent with all the vans we sell, even though this thing has, I believe, somewhere in the neighborhood of 5,000 original miles, we did do the full timing belt and maintenance update job because of the age of the vehicle. That work includes the timing belt, the water pump, the thermostat. For the timing belt, it has an idler and tensioner pulley. We replace those. It has 2 oil seals, camshaft and crankshaft oil seal. We replace those. The timing cover gasket often gets denatured over time, so we replace that. All the main drive belts on this is a matched dual alternator belt with a single power steering belt. So this does have power steering, no AC. Front and rear diff gear oil, transmission gear oil, transfer case gear oil, coolant flush, motor oil and filter, obviously, fuel filter. This has a new interstate battery, heavy duty battery, new fuel filter there. Undercarriage is very clean. A little dirty from snowy roads we're on today, but most all of these are coated when built to protect them from rust, and also stored indoors So really in impeccable shape underneath, like new. Really, this whole thing is like new. For something that's 25 years old, it's remarkable. Gray interior, which is nice. Some of them come in blue, some of them come in gray. I personally like the gray. Original floor mat, very good shape. Clean dash. Aside from here, which is where they would have had CB and some public address systems, almost all of these fire trucks have this sort of damage to the top of the dash. Very commonplace for these. Most all of them do. It was used after all. This seat right here folds down to a tray. Back here you have seating for 3. And this seat also folds up and out of the way like this and straps up, allowing all this open space for storage. Depending on how tall you are, you might be able to sleep across it. So this currently is for sale. So if you're interested in it, reach out, say hi, find us at vanlifenorthwest.com. If you have Instagram, check out our Instagram, Vanlife Northwest. Reach out, say hi. Come take it for a spin. Really great, reliable vehicle, especially with all the work that we've done to it and some of the custom touches. This one in particular is just unique and highly functional how it is with the bed. Some beds are worth decommissioning and removing and possibly putting a flatbed on or a camper, but this one I think is perfect how it is. So anyway, reach out, say hi. We'll chat. Peace, y'all.